Desert, mountains, rocks, jungle. Traversing every grueling environment possible, this competition is considered the world's toughest motorsport. This is the Dakar Rally. The route for the 1985 rally featured crossing the treacherous Ténéré twice. 22 days, total distance 10,284 kilometers. Special stage distance 7,487 kilometers. In a fierce competition against 362 other vehicles, the Mitsubishi Pajero Montero took its first overall win. It would go on to earn 12 total wins, including an unprecedented 7 consecutive wins. The Pajero Montero prototype was shipped to Japan after the 1985 rally. It was then laid to rest for years at the Mitsubishi Motors Research and Development Center in Okazaki. With all the damage from the rally and deterioration over the years, nobody ever imagined it would run again. The year 2025, 40 years after its first overall win in the Dakar Rally. Now begins the restoration project to breathe life into the Pajero Montero once again and share its story with the next generation. Engineers on the works teams in the WRC and the Dakar Rally take the lead on the project. They pass on their experience and skills to the younger engineers. Every single part is disassembled and individually inspected to assess any wear, distortion, damage and deterioration. Repairs are carried out as necessary. Then they reassemble the body, electrical systems, cooling systems, suspension and other components. After several attempts, the engine fires up. The engine that conquered the scorching desert 40 years ago is revived through an overhaul without replacing any major parts. The restoration of the Pajero Montero prototype is complete. To replicate its appearance at the end of the rally, the original chassis, exterior, seats and dashboard were used. Scratches and dents sustained during the rally remain untouched. The engine, the suspension and other mechanical parts were overhauled using the original parts and restored to a drivable condition. The Pajero Montero was forged from the extremes of the Dakar Rally. Challenges have continued over generations and many technologies have been developed. The spirit in motion lives on through Mitsubishi Motors' relentless pursuit of ultimate performance.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.